Good morning student, this is your computer class. Today we learn chapter number 5, browsing the web. Firstly, I want to tell about the web. Web is the World Wide Web, WWW, commonly known as the web. Okay, it is an information system where documents and the web resources are identified by URL. Got it, student? Now in this chapter we learn about internet related terms, parts of a browser window, web browser, search engine, uses of appropriate keywords to search information, basic requirements for the internet connection. Okay, student? Let's begin. The internet, a tool that brings to you many resources that would otherwise be very difficult to reach. It is used for ordering a pizza or monthly grocery, buying clothes or any other item. Instant messaging, sending pictures or videos, sharing a live movement with a friend or family. Okay, student. When two or more computers are connected together, they are said to be in a network. Okay, underline this line. Okay, internet is often described as a network of networks. Underline also this, network of networks. Okay, it is one large network composed of many smaller networks. The word internet is a combination of two words, interconnecting and network. Underline this. In other words, it is a collection of interconnecting computer networks from around the world. It connects millions of computers through cables or wires or wireless media of communication. Okay. It has not only made the combination easy but also provide with the umpteen service. Okay. It is useful in the following ways. First is e-commerce. This is used for business. Okay. Now this is online banking. This for mobile commerce, store large volume of information, entertainment also, news and journals, email, blog, social networking also, and online reservation. You know already about that. Okay. Now internet related terms. World Wide Web. World Wide Web is also known as WWW, or web also. I have already told about that. Okay. It is a collection of website. Underline this. It is a collection of website. Got it? Now Tim Berners-Lee developed WWW in 1989. This is very important. Who developed WWW? Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. Okay. He is known as the father of the web. Who? Tim Berners-Lee. Okay. Now Winton Gray Cerf is known as the father of the internet. Okay. Father of the internet. Got it? Now web browser. A web browser is a program which enables a user to access the internet and interact with information such as text, images, videos, music, games on a web page. Okay. I have already talked about the web pages. Examples of the web browsers include. This is the web browsers: Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Netscape, Navigator, Safari and Opera. Mostly we use Google Chrome, Internet Explorer also. Mostly it is very used, Opera also. Now come on website. A website is a collection of web pages. This is very important. Underline this. Website is a collection of web pages. To view a website, you need a web browser on your computer. These are the web browser. Okay. This we use for the website. Now web pages. Web pages is what you see in your browser. When you are on the internet, think of the web page as a page in a magazine. Okay. It consists of text, photos, images, hyperlinks, advertisements and animations and more. Okay. Now hyperlinks. What is hyperlinks? A link or web link on a web page that takes you to another part of the same page or to a different page. Words or phrases as hyperlinks are often blue and underlined. This is blue and underlined. Okay. When you move the cursor over a hyperlink, text or an image, it is also text and it can also in image. Okay. The mouse pointer changes to a small hand pointing at the link. When you click it, a new page or a new section in the current page will open. Okay. Now come in home page. The term home page refers to the start page or main web page of a website. It gives introductory details about the active websites and hyperlinks that connect to other sections of the websites. Got it? Now URL. Like you have a house address, in the same way each website has an address, a URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. This is, underline this. Uniform Resource Locator is the address of the website. Got it? For example, the web address of NCERT is http://ncert.nic.in and then semicolon. And of Prachi publication is https://www.prachiindia.com then slash. Okay, this is the address of Prachi publication and this is the address for NCERT. The address means URL. Okay. Now, internet service provider, the companies or organizations that provide internet connection to your computer. There are many internet service providers in India like BSNL, MTNL, Reliance Jio, Bharti Airtel, okay, and etc. Basic requirements for an internet connection. A computer requires the following things to connect to the internet. Firstly is modem, a hardware that converts digital signal from the computer in analog from that can be transmitted over telephone wires and vice versa. Okay, it is derived from the word modulator and demodulator. It is connected to the computer using wires or wirelessly. Modems can be either internal or external also. An internal modem is fitted inside a computer. By the name we can say that internal. Internal is fitted inside our computer, whereas an external modem is placed outside the computer. Okay. Now, internet connection, it is a connection provided by an internet service provider, ISP company. Some of them are Bharti Airtel, MTNL, BSNL, Tata Indicom and Reliance Jio. Okay. Now, these companies provide internet connection to the users. They send the technician to your place to set up the internet connection. The connectivity can be through phone lines or a wireless network. Now, wired connection. When the computer is connected to the internet using a wire, it is called a wired connection. Ethernet cable used for connecting to the internet, okay, is used to transfer data between connected PCs. For example, telephone cable. Now, wireless connection. You can also connect your computer to the internet using wireless technology. Laptops use a wireless internet card to connect to a modem without using any cables. Another example of wireless transmission is use of internet on mobile phone. Okay, this is the very important wireless connection, mobile phone. Wired connection tends to work slightly faster than a wireless connection, though it provides convenience of using it within range. This is very important, range. Now, you will also need a web browser to access the internet. Got it? Thank you, student. In the next topics, I will provide you in next video. Okay, thank you. Take care. Stay home and stay safe.